Here's a nice observation tower. Go up there and take in some of these views here by the river. Careful.
Up there.
You can wait for us.
Wait for us, please. Wait for Daddy, please.
There you go.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Nice views up there.
Yeah. A little breezier?
Yeah, feels good.
See what he's up to.
Yeah, I was actually on the water. My auntie almost hit me.
Go left.
Yeah, you couldn't see I almost hit it.
Well, as you can see, it's a very popular place for people to come out and explore a piece of Florida out here and enjoy this nature. Yeah, this tree here behind us, the cypress tree, it's over 900 years old.
How about that?
So,
Have you guys ever seen a tree like that, this
No.
big?
Not this.
I've seen them this big, but not
Well,
not a
Grayson's
cypress.
Oh, okay, yeah, there's.
Grayson's grandparents, they
You go to
had
California with the
that
redwoods.
big
or
old
something.
Oh, yeah.
they did.
but
this is
this
pretty
this
amazing.
definitely much bigger.
Yeah, it's neat to see them.
Do you know, so is this like trees that did never completely
No, these
form?
are called cypress knees,
Okay.
and these are actually like a root system for this tree.
That's what you were saying, Eli. So it is
Yeah,
like the root
I was
system.
wondering, it kind of looked like that.
Check it out, there's a gator right there.
Where?
Right here. See him on a log? Hello. There's an alligator right there.
Oh, sure.
The alligator right there, see it?
Yeah, the cute guy.
Beautiful.
Yeah. He's sleeping.
All kinds of wildlife here. All right, folks. Check it out. I survived Lettuce Lake State Park.